Welcome back to MDP. My name's Dominic, and we're giving you guys an exclusive tour of our mobile detailing van. Either you want to start your own business and see how it operates, or you're just curious on how we work on the go. So let's check it out. First, let's take a look at the exterior. As you can see, our van is fully branded with our logos and our contact information. This not only looks professional, but it also helps us advertising as we move around town. Now, let's step inside and see how we organize everything. As you guys can see, we have our dirty rag bin, bucket with a bunch of tools, brushes, everything we need for an interior job. We got an air compressor line, reel, steamer. We have our generator, which is very needed because we need to bring power to a customer's location if they don't have it. Vacuum, obviously we're detailing here, we need to clean. And then we have our little organized bins of rags. So we have an assortment on the door of the most common products that we use, either on carpets, wheels, on the exterior of the car, anything like that. Okay, as you guys can see, that is the back of the van. Let's move on to the front. All right, now we're in the front. Of course, we have our compressor. Doesn't need to be anything crazy, doesn't need to be too big. So we just got the rigid, I believe this is a 5-gallon if I'm not mistaken. We have the pressure washer, Ryobi, I think it's a 2200 PSI. We have our basket right here with an assortment of different things. Basically, sometimes it's just overstock that we'll refill while we're mobile. Over here as well, some overstock of things, gallons of things, just so we can refill once we're out. Over here we have our buff and polish bucket. Has all our buffing, polishing, waxes, different assortment of things right here. If you come in on this side, okay, so as you guys can see, the inside of the van is nice, neat, and organized as it should be, just so we can work effectively. We do have our 55-gallon water drum that we use. We have it placed sideways with a few fittings. You hook it up to the pressure washer and it works perfect. And there you have it. That is a full walkthrough of our mobile detailing van. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please put them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Make your dreams possible, boys. Later.